Introducing the 2021 Bentley Bentayga Speed. As before, the 2021 Bentayga Speed receives its power from a 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering 626 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque. The torque-rich engine delivers all of its power over a broad rev range of between 1500 and 5000 RPM, ensuring quick responses from the 8-speed automatic transmission. If it's good enough for Pikes Peak, it'll be good enough for your commute. Bentley claims a sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds and a maximum top speed of 190 miles per hour.